describe to you what nutrition is, then I will tell you what's the relationship between nutrition and our spiritual lives. Okay, nutrition is a process by which living organisms receives food as nutrients necessary for their growth and health. It explains the relationship between food and health, so that what nutrition is. And then an example of nutrients. Nutrients are minerals and vitamins. So I will not tell you more which vitamins and what nutrients. You will only get that on the Health Expo tomorrow. But one thing that you're supposed to know is that it's important for us to take what vitamins as well as nutrients, because if we don't take them, we will have deficiencies, what is called malnutrition. And then we will go to Genesis chapter 1, verse 29. Okay, this verse is whereby God had created man and he prescribed food for man. And then he says, and God said, behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all earth, and every tree, in which is the fruit of the tree yielding seed. To you it shall be for meat. And for every beast of the earth, and for every fowl of air, and for everything that creepeth upon the earth, wherein there is life, I have given every green herb for meat, and it was so. Okay, what we hear from this verse is that God gave us fruits and trees and herbs, so that those, they may be what? They may be meat for us. So I shall have given, with me I've got some illustrations. Eh? These are grains, these are vegetables. This is where you get your nutrients, vitamins, as well as minerals. It says that, I was reading from the book of the Spirit of Prophecy, it says that if the book is Mist of Healing, it says, I'll paraphrase it because of time, it says that if we are not taking nutrients directly from the grains I was showing you, as well as the vegetables, it says that we are taking them as second hands. So we're supposed to be taking them directly from what? From grains, otherwise we are taking them as second hands. But I would like to read this one. Okay, it's the book, don't mind this one, but the book is Ministry of Healing. It says, the page is 223. Carefully consider your diet, study from cause to effect. We need to know what we are eating, what will it cause, and what will be the implications and the effect of what we are eating. It says, cultivate self-control, keep appetite under control, right? And then it further says, those who understand the laws of health and who are governed by the principle will shun the extremes both of indulgence and of restriction. Their diet is chosen not for the mere gratification of appetite, but for the upbuilding of the body. They seek to preserve every power in the best condition for the highest service of God and man. So it says that if we are not eating well, healthy, we will not be healthy and will not be able to do God's work efficiently. May God bless you.